Isa ito sa Chinese restaurant na worth it balik-balikan. Dito nga kami nag-lunch sa Yanzi, located ito sa Marikina, and meron din silang branch sa Banawe. Famous nga din sila dito sa pot rice. This one is chicken chorizo pot rice. Tender yung chicken nito and nagbabalance yung sweet and saltiness ng chorizo. And yung sauce is nasa sweet side. 8-spice ginger pork, aromatic, sweet, rich, and savory, and ang tender ng pork. Their Manchurian wings naman has thick sauce, sweet, a little bit spicy, and tangy yung flavor. Ang creamy nitong kanilang baked rice seafood. Meron itong squid, crab sticks, and malalaki din yung shrimp. May spicy cake naman itong radish cake nila with XO sauce. Ang tender ng radish cake, sweet, smoky, and savory naman yung taste ng XO sauce, plus nagbigay ng earthy taste yung mung beans. And yung kanilang cucumber shake, ang refreshing and ang sarap. They also offer breakfast, low-carb breakfast. Sulit din itong mga group meals nila and party platters na perfect sa lahat ng celebration. Uy, craving na yan. Try mo na din dito sa Yanzi.